Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yes, you can use a traditional clothes iron to wax skis or a snowboard, but there are some things to be aware of. First, don't plan on using the iron on your clothes again, you'll almost certainly ruin them with wax.
Take our lead.
The idea of scraping is to remove all the excess wax left on the base of the snowboard. You might think leaving some wax on the base of the snowboard is going to make you go a bit faster on the hill, but no, you're wrong. Leaving excess wax on the base is actually going to dry the base out quicker.
Take our lead.
Regardless of the brand, a factory wax lasts about a week on snow, more or less depending on how it's factory waxed, rub-on or hot wax, what the snow conditions are, and how much park features you ride. If you're a rail slayer, 1 to 3 days as most of the wax will come off onto rails and boxes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.